अस्सलामुअलैकुम, क्या हाल चाल है व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आइए बगैर वक्त ज़ाया किए अपने पेपर की तरफ बढ़ते। The nisab of zakat is, so the right answer is 52 तोला silver और 7.5 तोला gold. Last annual summit of Shanghai Cooperation Organization was held during June 2017 at the location of Astana, Kazakhstan. Question number 3. The car dash front is slowing down. So the right answer is in. The car in front. Nippon is stock exchange market of. So the right answer is Tokyo. Name the princely state other than Kashmir which caused a dispute between India and Pakistan. Junagadh. Question number 6. Which type of milk is generally lowest in fat? So the skim milled milk is lowest in fat. The next question is, in which heaven Baitul Mamur is situated? So the heaven Baitul Mamur located at 7th Jannah. Who among the following was not head of the state during World War II? So the right answer from the given option is Theodore Roosevelt. What fraction of a cake remains when its 2 by 8 part has been eaten? 3 by 4. Question number 10. Basic democracy's system was for the first time implemented in Pakistan in the year of 1960. From following, find the correct punctuated sentence. So the right sentence is Shakespeare's Hamlet is the play for all ages. 12. The zoo had some lions and some parrots. The supervisor counted 15 heads and 50 legs. How many lions were there? So the right answer is 10. 13. Choose the correct option. The student had the flu, had an reason for missing school. They normally have period attendance and their absence their day at an legitimate aberration. The first session of the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan was held on 11 August 1947. 15. Gomal University is in Dera Ismail Khan. The tool used for document is called. So the right answer is thesaurus. 17. Daimler Onech is being constructed in. So the right answer of this question is Gilgit-Baltistan. 18. Earth's axis at present is tilted by, so 23.5 degree. 19. Appreciation is to reward as crime is to punishment. The 8th BRICS Summit meeting was held in India on 15 to 16 October 2016. Which countries comprise the BRICS group? Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. What is the meaning of idiom or proverb? To be at loggerheads, to be in a strong disagreement or dispute. 22nd, which PowerPoint feature allows the create a simple presentation quickly? So, auto content wizard. 23rd, who is called the father of computers? So, the right answer is Charles Babbage. Which body of people is sometimes referred to as the fourth estate? So, the right answer is the press. Name of the prophet who is known by the title of Israel, Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam. The headquarters of the European Union is. So the right answer of this question is it is located in Brussels. 27. Headquarter of Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific is located in Bangkok. Which United Nations agency deals with matters relating to children? So UNICEF. 29. The element which is most abundant in Earth's crust is oxygen. 'The next question is Rain of Kuch is situated in south of Tharparkar. 31. 3.29 multiplied by 1000 equals 2. So the right answer is 3290. 32nd. The synonym of conjecture is. So the synonym of conjecture is to guess. 33rd. The caste system in subcontinent first established by Aryans. 34. Ayatul Kursi is part of which surah? Surah Al-Baqarah. 35. Fill in the blank. Saima was ill dash fever. So the right preposition is ill with fever. 36. 2 raised to power 2 wholes power 3. So 2 का square 4 and 4 का cube 64. Which one of the following countries is not a member of OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, United Kingdom? Find the odd one out. 13, 41, 43, 47, 53, 61, 71, 73, 81, 81 क्योंकि ये एक प्राइम नंबर नहीं है बाकी सब प्राइम नंबर. Who had coined the phrase survival of the fittest? So it was coined by Charles Darwin. 40. What is the meaning of Al-Hadi mentioned in the Holy Quran? So the meaning of Al-Hadi is the guide, Rahnuma. 41st. I was angry blank the way they reacted. So the right preposition is angry about. 42nd. 1 metric ton contain how many kilograms? So 1 metric ton equal to 1000 kilograms. Where do the Indian Ocean meet? So the Indian Ocean meet at the Cape of Good Hope. There has been a complete breakdash of law and order in the country. So the right answer is breakdown. A senator is elected in Pakistan for how many years? So the right answer is 6 years. The British government announced the annulment of partition of Bengal in. So the right answer is 1911. 47. Pick out the name of the prayer which is preceded by Azan. So the right answer from the given option was Zohar. 48. Choose the synonym of nonchalant. So the synonym of nonchalant is dispassionate. A said a pen for RS 180. This was sold a pen for RS 180. This was RS 60 less than what A paid. What is the percentage of loss? 25%. Question number 50. Which is the largest gulf of the world? So the largest gulf of the world is Gulf of Mexico.